Hey there, aspiring traders. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and potentially profitable world, trading in the financial markets. Whether you're interested in stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, or commodities, understanding the basics is crucial before you dive in. If you're ready to embark on your trading journey, then this video is for you. Let's explore the fundamental steps and insights on how to start trading. Let's get started. Segment 1. Understanding trading and investment. Trading involves buying and selling financial instruments like stocks, currencies, or commodities with the goal of making a profit in the short term. On the other hand, investing focuses on long-term growth and involves buying and holding assets with the expectation of appreciating value. Segment 2. Educate yourself. Knowledge is your most valuable asset in trading. Educate yourself on different types of trading, market trends, technical and fundamental analysis, and risk management strategies. Learning the ropes will help you make informed decisions. Segment 3. Choose your market. Decide which market you want to trade in. Stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, and commodities each have their unique characteristics and risk profiles. Choose the one that aligns with your interests and goals. Segment 4. Select a trading style. Different trading styles suit different personalities. Are you a day trader, looking to make quick intraday trades? Or a swing trader, holding positions for a few days or weeks? Choose a style that matches your time availability and risk tolerance. Segment 5. Create a trading plan. A trading plan is your roadmap to success. Define your financial goals, risk tolerance, entry and exit strategies, and the amount you're willing to invest. Following a plan helps you stay disciplined and avoid emotional decision-making. Segment 6. Choose a reliable broker. A broker is your gateway to the markets. Choose a reputable and regulated broker that offers a user-friendly platform, educational resources, and competitive spreads. Research and compare brokers before making a decision. Segment 7. Practice with a demo account. Before using real money, practice trading with a demo account. This allows you to familiarize yourself with the platform, test strategies, and gain confidence without risking your funds. Segment 8. Start small and manage risks. Begin with a small amount of capital you can afford to lose. Trading involves risks, and it's crucial to manage them. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and use risk management tools like stop-loss orders. Segment 9. Analyze and learn. Continuous learning is key to becoming a successful trader. Analyze your trades, both wins and losses, to identify patterns and improve your strategies. Stay updated with market news and trends that impact your chosen market. Segment 10. Embrace a growth mindset. Trading is a journey of growth and learning. Embrace a growth mindset, be open to adapting your strategies, and don't be discouraged by losses. Patience and perseverance are essential qualities of a successful trader. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the fundamental steps to start trading and navigate the financial markets. Remember, trading requires dedication, continuous learning, and the ability to manage risks. Whether you're aiming for short-term gains or long-term growth, your trading journey starts with education and a solid plan. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on trading, investing, and financial success.